Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to cancel your Amazon Starz subscription on a PC or laptop. If you find this video helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So in order to do this, first thing we're going to want to do is come across to our Amazon account. We just want to make sure we're logged in. If you do want to cancel this, then what you'll need to do is once you've logged into your Amazon account, you just want to hover over your name at the top and come down to where it says memberships and subscriptions. And once you're logged in and you've clicked onto memberships and subscriptions, you should have a page that looks similar to this. So this is going to bring up all your subscriptions, your current subscriptions. So you can see in my case, I've got my Prime membership, I've got Amazon Music Unlimited, and Premium Plus Monthly. So to actually cancel any of your subscriptions, what you need to do is come to this page and you should see Starz shown as well. And to the right of Starz, you'll have some options that will look similar to this. So what you would do, so I'm just going to use, I haven't got Starz, but I'm going to use this one as an example. You would just come across and click onto settings. So you have a box called settings next to each subscription. So you want to locate Starz and then click on settings to the right of Starz. Then once you've done that, you'll have a page that looks similar to this. And then what you need to do is just scroll down and there should be an option here which says like this, membership options and help. And then there should be a button there which says cancel membership. So all you would do is come to cancel membership and give that a click. And then again, it might ask you to sign in. And then it's going to take you through the process to cancel your membership. So it's all different for each service and they're going to try and do things to keep you signed up to the service. So all you would do is just obviously select the options to say you want to cancel. You would just go through and basically select feedback and just click and basically just keep clicking the cancel options. So cancel anyway. And then yeah, you'll get like a confirmation like this. You should get an email come through to the email registered to that account as well, just confirming that's been cancelled. And if you want to double check that it's been cancelled, then all you want to do is come back to Amazon, go back to your memberships and subscriptions. And what's going to happen, it's going to have details of each of your subscriptions. So you can see, for example, Amazon Prime ends on the 12th of October. If it's not been cancelled, it's going to say like renews instead of ends. But if it says ends, then you know that's gone through successfully. So that's how you do it, and I hope you did find that helpful. If that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.